Welcome back. So, last session we saw that how to substitute the constant value in particular field. So, we are going to see next. If I'm substituting the value here, how same value bring in another field also. Let's see, for example, here in assignment. So, I'm substituting here the fixed value. I want this same value should come here also. Okay. This is known as a field assignment. This is known as a field assignment logic. Let's see how to do it. Let us go to substitution. So line this assignment comes in the line item. Therefore, go to line item, create one substitution right here like ZFI line something line item substitution. Save it. Click on step. Select that field, assignment field. Technical file name is Juanar. So this is the assignment field. Select this one. Select this field assignment, field to field assignment. Okay. Right here, reference field. Whatever is there in the reference field, that should come to your assignment field. That is your next logic. Come to prerequisite. It should be applicable for your company code label. So bookers, give the company code is equal to ATIN. Go to substitution. Assignment, in assignment give that from where you want to bring the value. So I can write here it is in VKPF and XBLN. I can write this one. So this is the field. I want whatever value comes here from XBLNR, it should come to here automatically. So this is what I'm writing. So this field will get substituted by this field. Save it and activate this substitution. Go to OBBS decode. OBBS. Somewhere you have already opened. Not this one. Okay, so here you have already opened new entries. Give company code, call point select line item and enter one. Save it. Now test it. W60. Hit enter. See ABCD comes here. See in the assignment also came or not. So in assignment field it has not come. Okay, let us enter the GL. Then we check. Enter the cost center. Observe it. Let us check it came or not. Okay, let us check it here. Substitution. Bookers ATIN and you are into ATIN and you're telling whatever field is there, it should come here also. It is not coming. Save it. ZFI line. Let's see here. Okay. So you have missed here. Substitution you have not given. This one, save it. Sorry, save it now. Now come here and test it. FB 60 70, whatever P code you want to test it. ABCD came. Now check it. Assignment not came. No problem. Enter 800, 100. Give the cost center. Come to assignment. Check whether it came or not. See, it came automatically. So whatever you have entered here, here also it came automatically. Okay. So this is the use of the field assignment. Okay. Similarly, you have user exit. Another way is user exit. User exit I have already spoken during a validation time. So same way it applies. Thank you. Let's go for next topic.